Now this is going to be a very short video with a quick tip, which I didn't even think I needed to do a video about this, but I received quite a few questions from people who saw just a really brief snippet from a video I did not that long ago about brisket. And some people picked up just a little thing in the video where they saw the rub that I was using and the shaker that the rub was in, and that there was something on it. Well, that's something I've started doing to keep the shaker clean. If you end up having a large piece of brisket or pork butt that you're gonna need to turn as you're rubbing it, and maybe you need to set the shaker down and use both hands to turn it and then pick the shaker up again, well, instead of getting the meat juices all over the shaker and then having to clean it off later, I've just started doing this. So let me show you. So right here, I've just got a nice big shaker of Big Papa's rub I'm going to demonstrate on, and some plastic wrap. This is that press and seal wrap. Really any plastic wrap that'll cling to this will work. And so what I like to do is I take a piece of wrap and I just sort of lay the shaker on it to get an idea of how long it's going to be. So really I want it about there. So this is going to be a little bit longer here than this. The rest can fold under the bottom, but you get what I'm talking about. You want it to go right up to the edge so that if you happen to have any of those meat juices on your hand or your gloves and you touch this again, it's getting on the wrap, not on the shaker. So let me show you. So I just tear that off, lay that down on there, and wrap the shaker up. And that plastic wrap will cling to that, make it easy for you to be able to shake, set it back down if you need to flip the brisket or pork butt with your gloves, your hands, pick it back up. You're not getting the shaker dirty. Peel this off, throw it away. And I've done it the other way where I've had to kind of clean the shaker off, or, you know, put the rub in a separate shaker or just in a bowl and use it. But if you want to use a shaker that the rub came in, this is just a really simple way to keep it clean.